My name is Emma, and today was such a strange day. The sun was shining, and I couldn't wait to get outside. So, I jumped out of bed, brushed my teeth, got dressed, and went to find my favorite small backpack. You know, the one I take everywhere with me. But when I picked it up, I felt that something important was missing. I reached inside, and my heart dropped. My key, my house key, was not there. I immediately started to panic a little. I checked the table where I usually nothing. I checked under my pillow and even in my pockets, just in case. Still nothing. I started to feel really worried. Without my key, I couldn't lock the door and leave the house safely. I decided to take a deep breath and search again. I emptied my entire backpack, looking very, very slowly this time. But nope, still no key. Then, a memory popped into my head. Last night, I was curled up on the sofa reading a book in the living room. Maybe the key fell out of my pocket there. I rushed to the living room and started my search. I looked under the sofa cushions, behind the curtains, everywhere. But no key. I sat down on the floor for a moment and just told myself, okay, Emma, think. Just think. Where did you go yesterday after you came home? And then it hit me. I remembered I went to the kitchen to make a cup of tea before bed. I sprinted to the kitchen, feeling a new wave of hope. I opened all the drawers, one by one. Nothing. I scanned the counter, moving things around. Still nothing. By now, I was feeling tired and honestly, a little annoyed with myself. I gave up for a second and decided to get some cold water. I opened the fridge door, and that's when I saw it. I couldn't believe my eyes. My small, shiny house key was sitting right there inside the fridge next to the milk. I just stood there and started laughing out loud. Why on earth was my key in the fridge? I have absolutely no idea. I must have been really tired last night. I picked it up, feeling so relieved, and finally put it safely in my backpack. As I opened the front door to leave, I smiled and said to myself, okay, Emma, today, let's try to be just a little more careful. And with that, I stepped outside and went on to have a beautiful, sunny day at the park. It just goes to show, sometimes the most stressful moments end with a good laugh. Thanks for listening to my crazy story. If you've ever lost something and found it in a totally weird place, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.